The compact SUV is probably the most competitive segment on the market today, with an impressive offer of excellent models. But a few stand above the rest, and the CR-V has always been in that club, with its impressive versatility and unparalleled engineering. Now, it seems ready to take over the lead and start a new era of dominance, because the 2026 Honda CR-V solves every owner complaint. Let's take a closer look. Much needed interior updates. Let's start with what might be the most anticipated upgrade to the CR-V lineup, the complete overhaul of the infotainment system. Finally addressing one of the most common critiques from owners, every single 2026 CR-V now features a larger 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system as standard equipment. That's a full 2-inch increase from the previous 7-inch display on base models, putting it on par with or ahead of most competitors in the segment. But the screen size is just the beginning of the story. The biggest game changer is that wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto now comes standard across the entire lineup. No more fumbling with cables or dealing with connection issues. Simply get in and your phone automatically connects to the system. To complement this wireless connectivity upgrade, Honda has added a wireless charging pad as standard equipment on every CR-V model. This thoughtful combination creates a truly cable-free experience that owners have been requesting for years. Higher trim levels, including the EXL, Sport L, the new Trail Sport, and Sport Touring, receive an even more significant upgrade with a new 10.2-inch fully digital instrument cluster that looks way impressive than the previous unit. This configurable display allows drivers to customize the information they see, from Honda sensing settings to various vehicle metrics, creating a more personal and modern driving experience. Traditionally, Honda has been lagging behind the competition in these kinds of tech features, but now it seems like this is no longer the case, at least as when we talk about the CR-V. The crown jewel of the CR-V's technology offerings has to be the Google built-in integration that comes standard on the Sport Touring model. This marks the first time this feature has appeared in the CR-V lineup, allowing access to Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Google Play Store without needing to connect through a smartphone. Sport Touring buyers get this feature with a complimentary 3-year unlimited data plan, adding tremendous value to the top trim level. CR-V gets off-roady too. For years, CR-V owners looking for more off-road capability had to look elsewhere in Honda's lineup, or even to competitors. But that changes dramatically with the introduction of the 2026 CR-V Trail Sport. This new addition to the family brings Honda's increasingly popular off-road-oriented treatment to its best-selling model, completing the CR-V's transformation into a truly do-it-all compact SUV. The Trail Sport immediately stands out with its exclusive styling elements, including a silver skid garnish on the front fascia, orange Trail Sport badges on both the grille and tailgate, plus gloss black door handles, window trim, and a black rear spoiler. But Honda didn't just slap on some badges and a few more similar details. The Trail Sport backs up its rugged appearance with genuine capability upgrades that make a real difference when the pavement ends. One of the most notable improvements comes in the form of Continental Cross Contact ATR all-terrain tires, mounted on exclusive 18-inch shark gray wheels with recessed valve stems for better protection from trail obstacles. While not as aggressive as what you'd find on the Passport Trail Sport, these tires provide significantly improved traction in dirt, sand, mud, and rocky terrain, without sacrificing on-road comfort or creating excessive noise during highway driving. What makes the CR-V Trail Sport especially intriguing is that Honda has paired it exclusively with the hybrid powertrain, making it the first ever hybrid Trail Sport in Honda's lineup. This smart combination delivers both off-road capability and impressive fuel efficiency in one package, a compelling proposition for adventure-seeking buyers who still want to minimize their fuel stops. Features and trim levels. The 2026 CR-V lineup continues to offer exceptional value across its range, with thoughtful feature distribution that ensures every buyer gets a well-equipped vehicle regardless of budget. Starting with the base LX model, Honda has significantly upgraded the standard equipment list. Beyond the previously mentioned larger touchscreen and wireless connectivity features, the LX also comes with Honda Sensing, which includes collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. This comprehensive safety package puts the CR-V ahead of many competitors that still reserve advanced safety features for higher trims. The mid-range EX adds heated front seats, a sunroof, driver's seat memory settings, and a 6-speaker audio system. Moving up to the EXL brings leather upholstery, a power tailgate, and the larger 10.2-inch digital gauge cluster that provides a more premium look and feel to the cabin. For the hybrid models, the lineup starts with the Sport, which combines efficiency with a sportier appearance package. The new Trail Sport, positioned in the middle of the hybrid range, brings the perfect blend blend of off-road styling and capability without sacrificing comfort features like heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and the updated tech suite. The Sport L takes everything from the regular Sport, but adds leather upholstery and additional convenience features, while the range-topping Sport Touring stands as the flagship with its exclusive Google built-in software, premium audio system, and a new individual drive mode that allows drivers to customize vehicle characteristics like throttle response and steering feel. Powertrain and performance. The 2026 CR-V continues to offer two compelling powertrain options, one that relies solely on gasoline and one that combines gas and electric power.
The standard engine remains the competent 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, making 190 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission. This setup delivers adequate acceleration with 0 to 60 miles per hour times around 8.7 seconds.
Where things get really interesting is with Honda's fourth-generation two-motor hybrid system that powers 4 of the CR-V's 7 trim levels, including the new Trail Sport, with 204 horsepower and an impressive 247 pound-feet of torque. The hybrid powertrain provides not just better efficiency, but also a more engaging driving experience thanks to the instant torques from the electric motors. The result is quicker response, smoother acceleration, and a more confident feel behind the wheel. Fuel economy for the hybrid models remains exceptional at 35 miles per gallon combined, a significant improvement over the gas-only version's 26 to 31 miles per gallon, depending on drive configuration. Honda claims the hybrid system delivers up to 581 miles of range on a single tank of gas, which is the kind of autonomy beyond reach for the vast majority of competitors. For 2026, Honda has made a significant improvement to the all-wheel drive system in the CR-V hybrid models. At speeds below 9 miles per hour, when the system detects wheels rotating at different speeds, indicating a loss of traction, it increases power to the wheels with grip while applying braking force to the slipping wheels. This clever traction management system effectively simulates the action of a locking differential, making a noticeable difference when traversing loose or uneven terrain. What continues to separate the CR-V from many competitors is its excellent handling and overall driving dynamics. Unlike some compact SUVs that feel disconnected from the road, the CR-V maintains Honda's reputation for responsive steering and well-controlled body motions. Even with the Trail Sport's all-terrain tires, the CR-V remains composed on pavement, while gaining additional capability off the beaten path. Price and availability. Competitive positioning. Despite all the improvements for 2026, Honda has kept the CR-V reasonably priced, with base models starting at around $32,000. As you may presume, the hybrid versions come with a premium, starting at approximately $37,000, but the efficiency gains and performance improvements make this a compelling value proposition over the long term. As for the new Trail Sport trim, it enters the lineup with a sticker price of around $40,000, positioning it as an attractive alternative to both mainstream and premium competitors with off-road aspirations. Given that Trail Sport models already account for approximately 20% of Passport Pilot and Ridgeline sales combined, Honda clearly expects this new variant to be a strong performer in the CR-V family and improve the overall record. Honda's decision to offer more standard features across the board, especially wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the wireless charging pad, significantly improves the CR-V's value equation for 2026. Combine these upgrades with Honda's legendary reliability and strong resale values, and it's easy to see why the CR-V continues to dominate sales charts year after year. The CR-V is currently the second best-selling SUV on the market, right behind the RAV4. But this could change soon. Hybrid models now account for more than half of all CR-V sales, so the addition of the Trail Sport trim and comprehensive technology upgrades for 2026 will only strengthen the CR-V's position, potentially even put it on top, because this SUV definitely deserves that. But Toyota's bestseller certainly won't give up on its dominance, considering that big changes are coming for the next year. Check out this video about the reasons to wait for the 2026 RAV4, which you can now see on the screen. A complete redesign is on the way, with updates and upgrades in every aspect, starting from improved performance and efficiency, a more luxurious cabin, new styling, and a full load of new technologies, both in terms of safety and entertainment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.